Back in a very good shape there. They've got all nine of the 10 players behind the ball. There's a good race here. Castillo's quicker than Jason Hernandez.
Hernandez slipped. Castillo gets right past him, and the shot is in the back of the net. And FC Dallas draws first blood here at Buckshaw. Akindelli. Room to maneuver. It's a left-footed shot, and it's off the far post and in for a goal. Another giveaway. Here's Castillo. Nice sidestep. The shot knocked down and poked in. Akindelli there again. Blas Perez.
1-on-1 again for Castillo against Jason Hernandez.
He already has a goal tonight. Steps in, slides it past Bush. 4-0 FC Dallas.
It's another wonderful, wonderful finish. Just another great example that speed can just kill you.
Outswinger, headed toward the corner by Blas Perez. And the ricochet, Akindelli. The hat trick.